got the post zoomies. Hold the lever.
Hi, Archer!
Hi.
Hello! Oh!
Oh, there's a cuckoo.
He's pooping. We're at the dog park. There's Starbucks, of course.
Oh no, you need to sit.
Oh, yeah.
His ears were like flapping in the wind. See the wind in his ears?
He's so photogenic. Where's that happy foot?
Happy
Happy
feet.
feet.
Happy feet. We're watching poopy
We
dogs.
should make a cat park. Actually, there's a cat cafe in Seattle called Nico?
We have one, is it the kitty cantina?
I think that's called
Kitty Cantina?
Yeah. Archer's out making friends right now. Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh wow!
Play.
There he goes! Oh wow! They're like your mom's dogs.
That's what I was saying. Looks like Sergeant Pepper.
He does, yeah. They're so cute.
Captain Jack. What did he find?
An acorn.
He found an acorn.
I love that. Oh my god! I love that. Oh my. That was really funny.
Quick little roll.
Ooh.
Got 2 words. Dog park. They're running back and forth.
Oh, who's this? Who just bumped me?
Who bumped?
Did you just bump me?
Who did the bump?
Why don't you go run?
He needs permission.
The post-poop zoomies. So fast. Did he drop all that weight?
I gotta watch out for doggy poops.
Oh, poop.
Ooh, good catch.
Don't step in that poop.
You see this? There's a pouch in here. And then it's also got a side pocket. You can even put a cat in here. Look how big this pouch is. It's huge.
He saw you with the hood on. He's like, who is this in my house?
Why are you barking? Why are you barking?
Archer doesn't like hoods.
Oh, he doesn't like hoods, yeah.
Yeah, we've discovered this.
That's why-
Are you taking Archer? Should we let him out?
No.
Do you want the treat? You want the treat?
Yesterday was Archer's birthday.
Archer gave us the gift of farts all night. Huh.
He's a gassy boy.
It was a very farty birthday.